This video is perfect for beginners and intermediate users who want to understand their system better. To check your current Ubuntu version with detailed information, run the following command. It will display details such as the distributor ID description, release number, and codename. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to DelftStack for more tutorials. Check out our other videos on Ubuntu tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.